this tutorial because I really want to show you guys how I do my makeup just quickly if I need to be on the go, because I do feel like as women we need to, you know, feel nice and feminine sometimes. Like, I don't think it's fair for us to just let ourselves go, for lack of a better word. Alright, so I'm gonna start off this makeup. As I'm about to start my tutorial, I see that she's waking up, as you can hear. So, you know what can I do, right? Mommy life. I'm going to put on my wrap and put her in, and I'm gonna have to do my makeup with her on me. Alright, so I have her in my wrap. If you guys want details about that, about the wrap, I will definitely link it down below where I got it. I got it from Amazon, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, let's get the show on the road. Number one thing about being a mom is, like, this long hair business, she's always grabbing onto it, okay? Like, it does not work too well, but we do what we have to do. Where are you going? Like, she's just, you know, so adventurous now. I'm gonna start off by putting my hair out of my face. Alright guys, so you already know we always have to moisturize our face, so at this point I'm just using any moisturizer. I'm actually using the Aveeno baby lotion to moisturize my face. Okay, baby. Okay. Alright, so if you ladies are like me and don't have a brow pencil on hand, you can always take an eyebrow palette and just take the dark brown color or whichever color you want on your eyebrows and just fill in your eyebrows with that, which is what I'm doing right now. And as you can see, I'm trying to fill it in and make it look like hairs. So I just put the eyebrow brush a little bit like on a slant, and then I stroke up so it can look like hairs. So now I'm just going to take a spoolie and clean it up so that it looks more natural. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Cosmetics concealer in the color Fawn just to clean up under my eyebrows and over my eyebrows. And you guys will see this will make it look nice and sharp. And now I'm just going to use my finger to clean that up so it can blend nicely with my skin. And I'm seeing that one eyebrow is slightly thicker than the other, so I'm just going in with that same brush and the eyeshadow color, the brown eyeshadow color, and I'm just filling it in until I'm satisfied with the same, well, with how it looks. And yes, after all this time, I am still using my Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in the shade Spiced Rum, and I'm going to put that all over my face and blend it out. And guys, I know that I used to, you know, color correct and put orange concealer and all of that, but listen, as a mom, we don't have time for all of that, so I am just doing something nice and quick. Now I'm going to take the same concealer that I had used for my eyebrows and I'm going to highlight. I'm going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit under my chin, and a little bit between my eyebrows. And now I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I also wanted to add, so I get my lashes done now, and I try to do it as often as possible because, you know, with a newborn, I don't have time to sit there and put on lashes, and, you know, sometimes when it doesn't get sticky and all of that, then you have to redo it. So I find that, you know, just getting my lashes done really helps speed up the process. And I also sometimes get my eyebrows tinted. I do that myself, and I'll do a tutorial on that soon. So now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, well, wherever I put the concealer basically. But instead of using my beauty blender to do that, which I usually did before, I'm taking a loose powder brush and just doing that. I find that doing this helps it not look as harsh. But I do use my beauty blender for my nose part. And now with my MAC foundation, which powder foundation, which I will link down below, I'm just going to take a powder brush and just blend it all out and make sure it looks nice and blended. This is a very crucial part because you don't want to look like a monster. And now I'm taking my Morphe Bronzer, and I'm going to use that to just define everything on my face, and this is how I contour. And now I'm going to blend, blend, blend. And now I'm going to take my Anastasia highlighter, and I forgot the name, but I will link that below. I'm not even sure if they still have it because I think I've had this highlighter for years. But you can literally take any highlighter you want, and I highlight on top of my cheeks and my cupid's bow. I'm going to take my MAC blush, and I think it's called Cheeky Bits. I'm not sure, but again, in the description bar you'll see it. And I'm just going to add it on top. And I just find that it's so nice. Like, you guys, I love me a highlighter, okay? I go off. And now I do my lips, so I'm going to take my staple lip liner, which I use all the time, which is the MAC Cosmetics in Chestnut. And I'm just going to line my lips with it. And for the shade of my lip, as usual, I'm going to use this, which I honestly forgot the name right now, but I will put it in the description box. And this is my everyday nude lip, and I mix it together and you'll see how it just looks nice and nude. It's my favorite combination. And now to blend everything out, I'm going to use a clean blending brush and just blend everything just to make sure that, you know, my contour doesn't look crazy on my face, or that like there's not any like flashback with the highlighter. And now I am going to set everything with my NYX Cosmetic setting spray. Just going to let that dry out. And yeah, basically that is it, you guys. This is my everyday mommy look. I don't do this every day though, but this is just like if I'm on the go and I want to get, you know, super cute. So thank you for watching, you guys, and see you next time. Bye. Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet